Hey tech enthusiasts! If you're as excited about smart home tech as I am, you're going to love what Amazon has just rolled out for Alexa and the Echo Show. Amazon has made Alexa smarter, and here's why you'll want an Echo Show in your home. First up, let's talk about the new Visual ID feature. This game changer allows Alexa to recognize different household members by their faces. Imagine walking into the kitchen and seeing your personal calendar and to-do list displayed automatically. It's like having your very own digital butler. All you need to do is register your face in the Alexa app, and you're good to go. Now, here's a feature I'm super excited about: the new conversational AI. Alexa can now handle follow-up questions without needing you to repeat the wake word. It feels way more natural and smooth. For example, you can ask, "Alexa, what's the weather today?" And then follow up with, "How about tomorrow?" without saying Alexa again. Pretty cool, right? Next, let's dive into the group calling feature. The Echo Show now allows you to make group video calls with up to 8 people. Whether it's family catch-ups or team meetings, staying connected has never been easier. Plus, with the built-in smart home controls, you can manage your connected devices during the call. Multitasking, anyone? And for the music lovers out there, the Echo Show has improved its sound quality. With Dolby processing and adaptive sound, your playlists, podcasts, and audiobooks will sound better than ever. Whether you're hosting a party or just unwinding after a long day, your Echo Show's got you covered. But wait, there's more. The Echo Show now includes a new feature called Show and Tell. This is particularly helpful for visually impaired users. Simply hold up an item in front of the camera, and Alexa will tell you what it is. Inclusivity at its finest. And lastly, privacy. Amazon has made significant strides to ensure your data is secure. The Echo Show has a physical camera shutter and microphones you can manually turn off. Plus, you have complete control over your voice recordings. You can view, hear, and delete them at any time. Your smart home can be secure and smart. So, there you have it. Amazon has truly outdone itself, making Alexa smarter and the Echo Show a must-have for any tech-savvy home. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching.